If you or a loved one rely on an oxygen concentrator to maintain your health, you know how important it is to have a reliable and efficient medical equipment service. That's where the Comfort Zone service program comes in. The Comfort Zone is a unique service offered exclusively by the Oxygen Concentrator Store. It provides customers with the peace of mind of knowing that their oxygen concentrator will always be working at its best. When you sign up for the Comfort Zone program, you'll have access to superior customer support. We'll be available 7 days a week to answer any questions you have about your oxygen concentrator. You'll also receive a live training from a Comfort Zone coach who will explain how your unit works, maintenance recommendations, and other tips and tricks for your new oxygen concentrator. And perhaps most importantly, if your oxygen concentrator ever needs to be repaired, you'll have our uptime guarantee. We will send you a replacement within 3 business days, or you will receive a $50 gift voucher. With this peace of mind, you can continue to breathe easy without any interruptions and can focus on the things that matter most in life. So if you're looking for a reliable and efficient oxygen concentrator, sign up for the Comfort Zone service program today. You won't regret it. For a limited period, this program comes complimentary with your purchase. When you breathe easier, we breathe easier.